Hey everyone, welcome to Daily English Talk. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma.
This is our very first episode, and on this channel, we practice real-life English conversations.
Simple, slow, and clear, so you can actually use English in your daily life.
Today's topic is perfect for our first episode. Happy New Year!
You'll learn how to greet people, give New Year wishes, ask about plans, and reply naturally.
First, we'll act out a real conversation.
Then we'll come back as hosts and explain the best phrases and responses.
All right, let's jump in.
Hey, Emma, over here. I saved us a table by the window.
Perfect! This view is so cozy. Snow outside, warm lights inside.
Exactly what I wanted for New Year's Eve.
Same. I didn't want a loud party this year.
A quiet cafe and good conversation, that's my kind of celebration.
And the countdown is in 1 hour, right?
Yep, we have time. What do you want to drink?
Maybe a hot latte, something warm.
Good choice. I'll get a hot chocolate.
That sounds like winter in a cup.
I'll order. Want a slice of cake too?
Yes, it's New Year's Eve. Treat yourself.
Here we go. 2 warm drinks and 1 chocolate cake.
Thank you. Okay, Happy New Year, Harry.
Happy New Year, Emma.
I hope this year brings you peace and good energy.
That's such a nice wish. Thank you. Wishing you a great year ahead. Health, happiness, and success.
Same to you.
Same to you is my favorite reply. Simple and friendly.
I also like you too. It's short.
If you want to sound more formal, you can say, wishing you all the best this year.
Yeah, that's good for coworkers.
Exactly. For friends, Happy New Year is enough.
So, how was your year overall?
It was a mix. Some great moments, some stressful ones.
Same. What was the best part for you?
The best part was meeting new people and learning new things.
That's a good answer. Growth.
What about you? Best part of your year?
I think it was learning to slow down. I stopped rushing all the time.
That's powerful. A lot of people can't do that.
I'm still learning, but I'm happier.
And what are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for my health, my family, and the people who stayed.
The people who stayed? That's a deep sentence.
It's true.
Okay. New Year question. Do you have any plans for the new year?
I have a few goals, but nothing too crazy.
I like that. What's your #1 goal?
Speak English more confidently.
Great. How will you practice?
10 minutes a day, no excuses.
That's the best kind of goal, small and consistent. What about you?
I want to sleep earlier and stop procrastinating.
Procrastination is so common. Yeah, this year I want to do things before they become stressful.
That's a smart plan.
Another goal is to save more money.
Same. I'm going to track my spending.
Tracking helps a lot. Tomorrow is the first day of the year. Do you want to grab coffee again?
That sounds nice. What time?
How about 2 p.m.?
I'd love to, but I have a family lunch at 2.
No worries. What time works for you?
Maybe 4 p.m.?
Perfect. Let's do 4.
Great. I like how you asked. Very polite.
Thanks. I'd love to, but is also very polite.
Exactly. It's a soft no.
We're getting close. 10 minutes left.
The cafe feels more excited now.
I can hear people laughing and cheering.
Do you like making resolutions?
Kind of. I like goals, but I don't like pressure.
Same. I want progress, not perfection.
That's a great line. Progress, not perfection.
Let's remember it this year.
Deal.
Okay, one more wish for you.
I'm listening.
I hope you feel calm and confident this year.
Thank you. And I wish you joy and good surprises. All right, host mode. Let's break down the New Year wishes you just heard.
The basic one is Happy New Year.
Easy replies are you too and same to you.
You too is the fastest.
If you want to sound more thoughtful, wishing you a great year ahead.
You can add nouns, health, happiness, success, peace,
Example, wishing you health and happiness.
or wishing you peace and good energy.
Great for friends and still polite.
Now, small talk question. How was your New Year's Eve?
You can answer short, it was fun.
Or, it was quiet. I stayed home.
Add a detail to sound natural. We watched the countdown.
Or, we had dinner and played games.
Details make your English feel real.
The big question is, do you have any plans for the new year?
Short version is, any plans for the new year?
If you have no big plans, not much.
Or, nothing special.
If you do have goals, I have a few goals.
A natural phrase is, nothing too crazy.
And for daily habits, 10 minutes a day.
That's an easy, realistic plan.
Now, invitations. We used, do you want to grab coffee?
Grab coffee is casual. You can also say, get coffee.
To accept, that sounds nice.
Or, sure, I'd love to.
To refuse politely, I'd love to, but
Then suggest a new time. What time works for you?
that keeps the relationship warm.
Quick role play. Ready?
Ready.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Wishing you all the best this year.
Thank you. Same to you. Any plans for the new year?
Not much. I just want to rest and spend time with family.
That sounds perfect.
My favorite line today is progress, not perfection.
It's a great New Year mindset.
If you remember one thing, remember that.
And remember, keep your goals small and consistent.
Okay, we're almost at midnight.
Happy New Year, everyone, again! All right, everyone, we're almost at midnight here in the cafe.
Before we count down, let's recap today's key New Year English.
First, Happy New Year.
Easy replies. You too, and same to you.
Polite wishes, wishing you a great year ahead.
And the small talk question, any plans for the new year?
Remember our mindset. Progress, not perfection.
Now it's your turn. Comment one goal using this sentence. This year, I want to blank.
We'll read your comments and help you make it sound natural.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to TalkHarry for more real-life English conversations.
Okay, I think the countdown is starting.
Let's do it together.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2.
1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Wishing you health, happiness, and a year you're proud of.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
Bye and Happy New Year!